Assalamu alaikum. Please turn on subtitles by clicking the CC icon. No. Find TEALHR/2022/03 dated October 20, 2022. Mr. Hamza Ali S/O Nasrallah. CNIC and driving license number 1111-22222-1. Senior Lab Manager in Chemical Department. Fine T Limited, Lahore. Subject: Allotment of Company Vehicle. The management of Fine T Ltd is pleased to assign you a company vehicle as part of your responsibilities in the Chemical Department, for official duties with effect October 20, 2022 under the company's vehicle usage policy, and Mr. Ali TPT in charge is hereby authorized for subject handling. A. You will have to comply with the company's vehicle usage policy to ensure responsible and safe usage of the vehicle, which outlines the responsibilities, guidelines for authorized use, fueling, maintenance procedures and reporting of any accidents or damages. B. You are responsible for the vehicle's safekeeping, maintenance and adherence to all traffic rules and regulations during the period of your usage. Wishing you safe and efficient travels with the company vehicle. Best regards. DY General Manager Admin. Fine T Limited, Lahore. Please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon to get updates of new videos. A link is available in the description to copy the text of this video. Thanks for watching my video.